Hello. Today I will show you how to create hair masking in Photoshop just like a professional. So let's start, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. I select this image. Let me show you the hairs, Control plus zoom on it. You can see there are so many single and curly hairs you see. Let's zoom out it by pressing Ctrl minus. The first thing we need to do to add a background, just simply drag your background to the main artboard like this. Now press Ctrl T to scale and adjust it like this. Drag the background layer under the subject layer. Now select layer 2 and rename it background. Now select layer 1 and rename it subject. Right click on the subject layer, choose the duplicate layer. Select the subject layer and rename it to masking. Select the subject layer, go to the properties and click on select subject. Make a mask by clicking on the mask icon. Now you can see the hairs selection is not perfect. Let's fix it. Unhide the masking layer. Change the blending mode to normal to multiply. You can see hairs are still not fixed. Make a group by clicking on the group icon or press Ctrl plus G. Drag a subject layer into the group. Add a mask to the group. Now we have two masks on one layer. Select Group Mask. Select Brush Tool. Make sure your foreground color is black. Adjust the brush size and choose a hard round brush. And start painting on the edges of hairs like this. We have one more problem here. Let me show you. You can see hairs are still not fixed. Let's fix it. Select Group Mask. Go to Properties and change density according to your subject. I will go with 60. But still darker. Change density to 50. Now it looks good. Select the subject layer mask. Go to Filter, select Other. Choose Minimum. Set the radius to 1 pixel. You can set a radius according to your image. For me, 1 pixel is better. Double click on the group. Select Drop Shadow. Follow the settings. Hit OK. That's it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.